Hello, my name's Keith Orford. I'm from Cardiff and I'm 63 years of age. I've been a blood donor since the 80s, and in 1989 I became a platelet donor. I'm delighted that I've reached a milestone. I've given my 800th donation. I became a blood donor because I felt like I was helping somebody that was less fortunate than myself and had some form of illness or whatever and needed the blood. When I found out it was neonatal, I found out then I could help babies which are really seriously ill and in need of platelets. I donate once a month. I come here and I get 2 buses to get here, but it's no problem whatsoever because it's only a couple of hours out of my time, and I feel like that it's so vitally important. Over many years I've seen many changes, and especially now with the pandemic being on and all that, but they've adjusted really well. Put people's minds at ease that there's nothing to it. You're giving the blood. It's a quite easy experience. You come in, you've got to sanitize your hands and everything like that. But once you get in here, you answer the questionnaire. Even with the needle, when it goes into your arm, it does not hurt one bit, and the machine does all the work, and you're on the machine for only 70 minutes, which is an hour out of your time, which is nothing compared to what it is being used for and what it's helping to do to in my case, to the newborn babies, but also for adults and everybody alike. My top donation tip would be always have something to eat beforehand, because there is the possibility that you could feel faint afterwards. So always have something inside your stomach, and obviously drink plenty of liquids as well. Because as you're having the blood taken out, you might dehydrate a little bit, so you need to have plenty of hydration. My aspirations for the future, I want to reach the magic 1,000, God willing, and that I'm still in good enough health to be able to donate. The way through the journey of giving all these platelets, the staff here have been absolutely superb. They're very kind, they're very gentle. Please, if you can, sign up for the Welsh Blood Service, give it a good thought, so don't be afraid, come forward and donate.